Working environment places like this, you have to be really careful. Every time you handle the machine, threading it, whatever you're doing, you have to, health and safety reason, you have to switch your machine off. Cutting, no fabric, no cotton on the floor because it's dangerous. You can step on it and slide and fall and hurt yourself. So therefore, that is really important. Needles, pins, nothing like that. You shouldn't throw them on the floor. Every tool you use, all the tools, it has to go back. You mustn't leave scissors, a snip, a screwdriver, anything laying around. Everything you use, everything for put back. That's the most important thing to work safely in this sort of environment. And some of the problems are, if the cottons or fabric on the floor, you can step and slide and then you fell and you hurt yourself. And while you're threading the machine, if you don't switch the machine off, machine is quite fast. By accident, if you can press the pedal, and then you can, while your hand's under the machine, you can hurt your needle goes through your finger, and then you can hurt yourself. And then the same is the scissors. If you hold on scissors, it's snip. You're walking around in the place, you can accidentally, you can injure someone. So therefore, that's sort of thing that we must avoid. So always you put the tools away, and when you walk around, make sure that you don't carry no scissors, nothing in your hand. So now I cut all my samples I'm going to make. Now I'm going to do 10 stitches using my foot as a guide, parallel to one another. I'm going to do 10 stitch.
I'm going to do this again. I did it. This is the second one. I'm going to do it right. Yeah. And when you do this, make sure that you stay like this. Okay. Otherwise, it's not acceptable.
There's my 10 stitch. Now I'm going to do a slow curve. I'm doing 2 straight line. Two straight line. There's my 2 pieces of fabric. I'm going to put them together, make a seam. This is straight hem. double needle seams I'm going to do. Yeah. This is a strap, double needle straps. Now we adjust into tension, we stitch it, and then we stitch it too loose, so therefore I'm tightening the stitching. The first stitch before adjust the tension, second stitch after adjust the tension. That's the wrong stitch, that's the right stitch. Now we cut our shapes, go wave, circle, hard and straight. And then 2 pieces of fabric, putting it together and overlock it. Now we're demonstrating how to put them together, how to do the shapes and 2 pieces together. This is 2 pieces together. This is square. This is the wavy edges. Straight lines. There's a heart shape. and a circle. Now we're going to demonstrate how, if your stitch is too tight while you're doing overlocking, and then I will show you how to adjust your overlocker. This too is a needle, so is it too tight? You open it a little bit and check your stitch is correct. If you see it's pulling a bit, so there's a needle, there's 2 stitches needle, so you have to open a bit more. And test it again. As you see now, the tension is correct. This is pull in, adjust the tension, release it, let's take the correct stitch.